What's going on, guys? This is Kedar here, and I was trying to play Higan Eruthyll, and here you can see I'm getting this error where it says server is closed or under maintenance. And guys, as far as the latest details I received, it's April 4th, and today is the day when I should be able to download the game and able to play. So what's really going on with Higan Eruthyll? And guys, most importantly, what is the official launch server opening time? Today in this video, we'll be going to answer all the important questions for Higan Eruthyll. Alright guys, to find out all the latest update, I headed over to the Twitter official page for Higan Eruthyll, and here you can see we have got bunch of latest update. So let's check out what's the latest update right over here. Alright guys, so let me show you this first update. So only 3 days from a global launch, we are releasing a new content preview, 1 out of 3 FAQ, and later today will help you on Planet Eruthyll SIP. So just 3 days to launch the Higan Eruthyll, and day after that we got this very important tweet for pre-registering for the official launch for Higan Eruthyll. The Airbagger Alliance is here to address your frequently asked questions. Please take a look at and get ready to the Planet Eruthyll in 3 days. So what will be the latest update? Let's check it out. So where can you able to download the game? You can download on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search Higan Eruthyll in Google Play Store or Apple App Store. To log in into your game, you can use your Google account, Apple ID, or registered email account. And these are the system requirements. Now, these days, any Android device can pretty much able to run this game very easily. And what server should you choose? Well, the server time zone will be GMT -8 and APAC server time zone will be GMT +8 to get the better experience. They suggest you to choose the server closer to your location. Currently, this game supports English language or Chinese as the game takes are in character voice. And speaking of how does the top-up rebate work, when is the top-up rebate period? Well, the top-up rebate for Vanguard server from February 23rd, 10:50 to March 31st, 23:59 GMT plus. There will be no rebate for topping up outside this period in Vanguard server. In which server can you get a top-up rebate? Well, player who topped up within the above mentioned period in Vanguard server can claim Genesis Divrostals via game mail within 30 days after the game officially launches. The rebate only goes on 2 weeks after the launching of the servers. So if you fail to get the rebate mail after 2 hours after the account is created, please contact the customer service, guys. This is very important. Or you can contact the game customer service via settings and you can file a ticket if you didn't got your top up rebate. So let's say if you topped up both limited beta and soft launch, how does the rebate work in official launch? So soft launch will be able to receive different rebates based on the spending combined. So here you can see the details. Now here's the important detail, guys. What's the next for Vanguard server? Do you need to update a game when it officially launches? Can new player enter Vanguard server still? Well guys, there will be a special maintenance for the Vanguard server on April 4th. This is very important one. After which players will be redirected to the stores and downloading the official launch version in order to resume the journey in Vanguard server. And you know what guys, servers other than the Vanguard server will remain in maintenance until the game officially launches. So that's the reason guys why you'll be getting this very important error at this moment, because Vanguard servers will remain in maintenance until the game launches officially. So therefore, for stability concern, registration for the Vanguard server will be temporarily closed after the April 4th maintenance period and until 12th of the April. Remember guys, until 12th of the April at 23:59 GMT +8, registration for the Vanguard servers will be temporarily closed after the April 4th until April 12th. Now does that mean can't you able to play the game until April 12th? No, that's not the thing guys. Let me show you when you can able to play the game. So speaking of when will the game launch officially? Well guys, the game will launch officially on April 6th of the 2023 at 11, that is +8 GMT. And remember, it's available to pre-download will be available on April 4th 2023 at 11 GMT +8. So guys, if you are getting this particular error, servers are down or whatever the thing regarding the server maintenance, remember game will officially launch on April 6th 2023. That's when you can able to play the Higan Eruthyll, and it is available to pre-download on April 4th 2023 at 11, that is GMT +8. So make sure you keep eye on to this very important timelines. Check your Google Play Store, Apple App Store to quickly download the latest version. So don't worry guys, the official launch server opening time is April 6th at 11, that is GMT plus 8. So you need to wait until like 2 days or something like that. I hope this video was helpful. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.